Have you heard of ABEKAWAMOCHI? It's a specialty of Shizuoka City in Shizuoka Prefecture. There are several theories about the origin of ABEKAWAMOCHI, and this is one of them. In the early Edo period, when Ieyasu Tokugawa stopped by an ancient tea shop on the banks of the Abe River, the owner of the shop sold the Kinako as a gold powder from the upper reaches of the river and sprinkled it on fresh rice cakes. It was presented under the name of Kinako Mochi. Ieyasu was very pleased with it, and he named it Abekawa Mochi after the Abe River. And I am standing on that riverside now. Originally, it was made by sprinkling kinako powder on freshly made mochi and sprinkling white sugar on it. Nowadays, it is common to have two types in one set. One is with sprinkled kinako and the other is with smooth sweet bean paste on a plate. This is Sekibeya's original Abekawa Mochi, which has been in business for over 200 years. How wonderful it is to create and convey the same taste to 15 generations, right? The shop does not establish any chains nor branch out in Japan. You can only buy this mochi there. That's why this is special and is different from the products you can buy elsewhere. You need to make an effort to come to buy it there, and it's worth it. These mochi only have less than 24-hour shelf life. So it's better to consume this takeout mochi by noon on the following day after you purchased it. Remember, don't put it in the fridge, since exposure to cold temperature will harden it. You don't want to miss the soft and tender texture when you munch it. The mochi is extremely soft. If you hold the box at an angle, the rice cake inside will be deformed because it's soft enough to handle. The kinako's particles are so fine, which goes very well with the mochi, and it's not sweet at all. So enjoy sprinkling this magic powder on it. Indulge in white sugar. You know, it's legal. I really hope you will get to enjoy the local experiences in Japan in the near future. Shizuoka City has a lot to offer. That's it from me. Stay safe.